Well, first of all, let's go to the Senate order of the release of VP Sara's Peso Bank accounts as well as the corporate or the shared account with her husband, as well as the AMLAC records. Um, do you expect the defense to seek a contrary opinion from the Supreme Court?
Well, I think at this point they are already exploring what the remedies will be. I cannot second guess or anticipate what exactly they will use. But remember, what was really just issued was a subpoena. So once that subpoena is honored, it doesn't necessarily mean that all the documents brought before the impeachment court will be admitted into evidence already. There's still a fight on how to get each document into the record of the impeachment court. So that could also be an avenue that they're gonna explore.
That when the prosecution produces these documents, they will oppose during the trial itself?
Yes, yes. Because the subpoena really is just an order directed to a person or to an agency to bring certain documents before the court. Now, if you want to use those documents, either side, then it's gonna be a separate fight to get them into the record of the impeachment court.
However, the prosecution can already present those documents on the floor. So the public will be able to view the documents, right?
We can expect the defense to raise objections with respect to whatever document that the prosecution will try to present. Parang katulad din yan ng mga previous impeachment cases natin na once sinusubok ng ipresenta, the objections will start coming in.